teaching you French again. So let's get started. I taught you how to pronounce A to M in French, and in this video I will teach you how to pronounce N to Z. So let's get started. In English we say N. In French we also say N. Now pronounce with me 3 times. N, N, N. In English we say O. In French we also say O. Now pronounce with me 3 times. O, O. In English we say P, but in French we say P. Now pronounce with me 3 times. P, P, P. In English we say Q, but in French we also say Q. Now pronounce with me 3 times. Q, Q, Q. In English we say R, but in French we say L. Now pronounce with me 3 times. L, L, L. In English we say S, but in French we also say S. Now pronounce with me 3 times. S, S, S. In English we say T, but in French we say T. Now pronounce with me 3 times. T, T, T. In English we say U, but in French we also say U. Now pronounce with me 3 times. U, U, U. In English we say V, but in French we say V. Now pronounce with me 3 times. V, V, V. In English we say W, but in French we say W. Now pronounce with me 3 times. W, W, W. In English we say X, but in French we say X. Now pronounce with me 3 times. X, X, X. In English we say Y, but in French we say there. Now pronounce with me 3 times. There, there, there. In English we say Z, but in French we also say Z. Now pronounce with me 3 times. Z, Z, Z. So that's all for today. We have learned about pronouncing N to Z in French. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified when I publish a new video. So bye bye guys, and I will see you in next video later. Yeah!